over here, math, and just arrow down. I think it's on this first math menu. There's our derive, there's our integrate, function integrate. So it will give you, we'll do the antiderivative and crank it out as a value. So you can always use this to check the ones you've been doing by hand and on the test, which isn't for a while since we've got exams coming in here. But anyway, let's practice it. So it's under math. For me, it's at number 9, function integrate. So let's do 2 of these. Show you how it works. Let's do it by hand and then by the calculator and see how close they are. And I'll just make one up. Let's go from 1 to 4 of x squared dx. Keep it simple. So just doing it by hand, normal, we would do a power rule here, and you'd get x cubed times 1/3 from 1 to 4. So putting in the 4, we would have 1/3 times 4 cubed is 21 1/3. And then we're going to subtract. Putting in the 1, we'll have 1/3. And we get exactly 21. Okay, let's look at the function integrate. If I go to function integrate, so math, down to function integrate number 9, I have to put in the equation. My equation, the original equation, because I didn't do any antiderivative yet, is x squared, comma x, because that's the variable I'm using, and my boundary is from 1 to 4. So I just type that in. So x squared is my equation, comma x is my letter, comma 1, comma 4. You people with a newer operating system, go ahead and try something, but I think it actually looks like this, if I remember correctly. And it comes up with 21. So if you can type it in here correctly, you'll be able to use it as a check for your problems on the test. All right, try one more. So how could I get you so you couldn't check everything? I would give you something like this, from 1 to 2 of 2 to the x dx. We do not have a way to integrate this with the x up in the exponent yet. You're going to see this come at you in the next chapter. So the only thing you can do is use the function integrate. So function integrate. I'm just writing this down for the notes. You won't have to do it on homework. The equation is 2 to the x, comma x. The lower boundary is 1. The upper boundary is 2. So math, down to number 9. 2 raised to the x, comma x, comma 1, comma 2. And so we get about 2.885 will be our area under the curve. Okay, that's all I have. So you've got Simpson's rule, easy plug and chug, and then using function integrate. Okay, you've got page 236, quickie 1 through 4, and then problems 1, 2, 3, 7 through 10.